Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Before you can use remarketing, you need a remarketing list. And in today's video, I'll show you how to create a remarketing list in Google Ads 2026 step by step. Now before we start, I'll give you a quick guide on how to start your Google Ads account. You're just going to go to business.google.com, then you're going to log in with your Google account. Once you do that, you're going to click on the Start Now button and you're going to enter your business name and your business URL or website. Make sure to enter a valid one, enable to proceed with starting your business in the Google Ads interface. Then you can create campaigns, add campaigns, and create ads and publish them. Now, if you want to create a remarketing list, you're going to have to open the Audience Manager, and there you're going to click on Tools and Settings. Once you click on Tools and Settings, you're going to select Audience Manager from here, from the Shared Library section. Click on Audience Manager. After that, you're going to be directed to this section right here which says Audiences. Now you're going to create a new list. You're going to click on the plus button and choose your list type. You can choose web visitor, you can choose app user, you can choose YouTube user, customer data, customer list, etc. After that, you're going to configure the list. You're going to name your audience, choose the visitor rules, set membership duration, etc. You can add them here in the data segment. And you can choose which one, like web visitor, app visitor, etc. Like I said before. After that, you're gonna configure the list by adding or naming your audience, choosing visitor rules, setting membership duration, adding description, etc. And after that, you're gonna create your audience. You can also add descriptions, which is optional. The important note, you must have Google Ads tag installed or GA4 linked to your Google Ads. Now you can create multiple lists for different behaviors and shorter duration for hot traffic and longer duration for branding campaigns. And that's how you create a remarketing list in Google Ads 2026 and prepare your account for higher converting campaigns. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.